Guys, now I'm gonna do the Kubernetes Lab. Today will be day 7, so let me check it out right here. We have to deploy Grafana on Kubernetes cluster. Alright, so let me click the start button. So and then draw.com. Okay, great. So the given instruction is right here. The nautilus dev obtains is planning to set up a Grafana tool to collect and analyze analytics from some applications. So we can simply understand Grafana is a tool, an app. So they are planning to deploy it on Kubernetes cluster. Below you can find more details. So first of all, we have to create a deployment. Deployment name is grafana-deployment-nautilus. Using any Grafana image for Grafana app. So set other parameters as per your choice. So it depends on your choice. You can get any parameters and values. Alright, so now you will see this Grafana button. You can click that. So now you will see 502 back gateway. This is an error. So now let me create deployment. So before it create deployment, let me create with the Vim editor. I will give the Grafana grafana .yaml 1 So within this file, YAML file, I will write the deployments YAML code. So here I don't find, I don't type line by line, so I will create so here I'm gonna copy this. So I will paste right here. So here app name is, deployment name is right here. We need to get the correct name. And app naming we can get Grafana. Okay, here also Grafana. Replica count you can give 2, 3, that's fine because it's not clearly mentioned about the exact amount. And then but we have to get the correct container name. Ether the same. Container name is not mentioned about right here in the given instruction. So we can get any container name. Container image is we can use any Grafana image. Alright, so we use this image leaders. Container port is 3000, but remember this container port, we had to use it later. So this is the resource limits for memory and CPU. Alright, so now I will escape from here and save it. Applying it, key applying -f grafana.yaml. So let me check the key get deployment ployments. So now you will see that Grafana is not still ready. So let me check it again. So now it's ready. Yeah, this data is available, right? So now we're gonna have to create a NodePort type service with a NodePort number 32000 to expose the app. Okay, so you can understand that, you know, like this, the process is, how can I show you? So this is the NodePort, and this is the Grafana app. So across the NodePort, we're gonna trying to access to this Grafana app. Sorry, this is Grafana app. This is a NodePort. So NodePort is 3200. So Grafana app is listing on 3000, right? So this is our user. Okay, great. So now I will copy this sentence. I will find the Google. How to create. So let me get the related comment, this one. So I'm gonna create a YAML file. So I will get the NodePort port.yaml. You can get any file name. So within this file I will paste right there. But here for the NodePort service name is, let me get the Grafana. You can get any name. So Grafana, Grafana. So type is NodePort. So here also I will change the Grafana. Here we had to match your opponent deployment selector level. Okay. Grafana, Grafana. Let me go back in here. Let me check that. Cat. What is that? Grafana.yaml. So let me get the same this Grafana, right? So okay. Okay. And port name is. Port is 80 for the NodePort, that's correct. But for the target port, we have to get the 3000, right? Because add container is listing on 3000. If you don't give the correct target port, it will not work together, right? So I will escape this and save it. And then I'm gonna apply this NodePort.yaml f and NodePort.yaml. Okay. So let me check the key get. As we see, so you will see that Grafana cluster IP is this. So let me check the CURL HTTP. So this Grafana is listing on port 80. So you will see here found. What does it mean? Okay, get as we see -o white. So that's the same IP address, right? Okay, so let me click the Grafana app right now. So you will see the login page, right? So that means we successfully did it. So here you don't need to make any configuration changes inside the Grafana app once deployed. Just make sure you can access the Grafana login page. Yeah, eventually we can directly access the Grafana login page right here. So yeah, that's it. So let me check it out and click confirm for this lab. So finally it's been successful. So I will start here. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video again.